So I'm just going to show you how to attach the directional lock caster. So put your washer in, up and through the caster itself. On the inside of the box then there's a WRP, and it's just to add more support to that area. Stick it in through, that stays there. And then out here I've got a tool just to hold my nut on the inside, so I'll just hold. Stick it in over the top. And then just use my ratchet then to tighten it. So I just tighten it a little bit to start with, so that I can get the caster in the straight line. So it'll just stay there. This is still holding my nut in place, and then I just tighten it up fully then. So it means then the caster's in the direction it needs to be in. When I lock it or unlock it, she'll just stay in place then.